Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll guide you to remove your Cash App Cash Card from Apple Pay in 2025. I've been getting this question a lot lately, so I figured it's time to clear things up for once and all. Now, first off, why would you even want to remove your Cash App card from Apple Pay? Well, maybe you're switching devices, managing multiple cards, or you just don't need it linked anymore. Whether your reason is removing it's super easy, but it's not done through the Cash App itself. You'll actually need to go directly to your Apple Wallet. So let's walk through the steps together. Open your Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Once you're in, find the app and tap on your Cash App Cash Card from the list of cards. Now look for the three dot icon in the top right corner. Go ahead and tap that. From the drop down menu, tap on Card Details. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and you'll see a red button that says Remove Card. Tap Remove Card and a confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure. Hit the red Remove button one more time to confirm, and that's it. Your Cash App Cash Card will be removed from Apple Pay instantly, and you'll be taken back to the main screen of your Apple Wallet. If you ever want to use it again, just add it back like you did the first time. So there you have it. Quickly, simple, and done in an under a minute. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech solution like this one. I'll see you in the next one. As always, I have promised.